Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing, testing and reviewing a tire inflator, a smart tire inflator that was sent to me by the company called CYCPLUS. So this is their latest release. I want to test it out. It's very important to have one of these products in your car. If you don't have especially if you don't have a spare tire. I do have one on my Duster, but nevertheless I am feeling much safer if I have one of these inflators every time I go off-roading. If you will order the device, the box will look something like this. It will have some things besides the inflator itself. A USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable for charging, very important, so it will charge faster, or at least fast. An adapter for inflating the bicycle tires, yeah, very nice, the classic one. Let's just keep it right here. Of course, instructions manual, which is in English, Chinese, German, Italian, Spanish and French. Everything you need to know is here. Operational power supply, recharging. Here we can see that it has the function of reverse charging. So if we need some power with this tire inflator, besides inflating the tires, we have the possibility of using it as a power bank, which is very nice. Let's see if in this user manual we have the overall capacity of the battery. Also, this one can be charged with using a 12 volts power cable, and we have a capacity for the battery of 5,200 milliamp hours. This means we can use this small tire inflator to fully charge a smartphone, depending on your model. Yeah, so besides the instructions manual, in the box we get the inflator itself, which looks like this. It has a very nice design, a sleek design. One thing I like is this handle that covers the USB port and the 12 volts charging port as well. If we want to keep it on a table, we have 1, 2, 3 rubber areas. So while charging, we can keep it like this or like this. Another nice thing is the LED light. The LED light is very bright, very useful if we have a flat tire during the night. Also, here we have the screen. It's an LED screen. I think it will flash. We have a rotating knob. So with this rotating knob, we can adjust the pressure we want. If we keep it long pressed, it will switch to the various accessories we can inflate. So we have a ball, bicycle, motorcycle and cars. If we keep it long pressed, we can switch between the bar and the PSI measurement units. And if you want to start it, all you have to do is press this button once. So it's very small, very compact. But another thing that I really like is that we have this cap right here that is holding in place those 3 accessories for inflating balls and mattresses. And we have this hose, which is very long, around 1 meter, I guess. And the guys from CYCPLUS had a great idea of making this small hole right here. So when we are using it, All the accessories will stay there, and we won't have to keep this cap opened. So yeah, this is the device itself. This is the unboxing experience. Very nice, durable. Here we have some ventilation area, another ventilation area here, another one right here, which means that after some heavy use we won't have problems with the overheating. Okay, that's it with the unboxing. Right now let's go on and test out the device. Now that you have seen what's in the box, let me show you again the device. What's really nice is that we get this light. You have to press this for a long time so it will open. We have the LED light. Again, long press here if we want to turn it on or off. And I really like that we have this handle right here, and the handle is covering the USB port and the other charging port. Usually when you keep something stored, if those ports are not covered, we'll have dirt and dust over time, and you might have some problems. In this way we have everything covered, which is very, very nice. This is the display. By long pressing this button we can switch the measurement unit. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, we have bars, and if we long press this, it will switch to PSI. I am using the bar as a measurement unit, and let's see how many bars this wheel has. The hose is long, I really like it. And another nice design feature, we have this cap, this hole on the cap, which is very convenient. Yeah, this wheel has 2.25. I am going to take it all the way to 0.5 and see how fast this small device can inflate it. So we have 0.9 bars. I am just going to set it to 2.3 bars and see how fast. Yeah, so it took around 2 minutes and 40 seconds to go from 0.95 to 2.3 2.3. I think for a device of this size is a very, very good performance. The hose is not warm, but you should keep in mind that outside there are -5 degrees Celsius. And let's see how fast we can get from 0.5 to 2.5. I'm very curious to see on another wheel. Yeah, so we have this wheel, which I until 0.40 bars. I am going to set it to 2.5, and let's see how much it will take for this small inflator to do it. So it took around 4 minutes to get 2 bars of air pressure into this tire. What I really like about this small device is that it has 2 fans, which means that when it will get hotter, the hose is not that warm yet, but after heavy usage it will warm up, and these ventilators, small ventilators, will start automatically and will keep everything at a safe temperature. With the noise level, I think there are some improvements to be made. I really like this design with this cap closed and with these accessories that are held in their place. And what I've seen with the other tire inflators is that most of the time, when you want to deposit it, when you want to keep it in a place for storage, you have the same problem, which is how to keep the hose from getting out or from getting mixed in other with the other accessories or the other stuff in your trunk. So overall, the design is very, very nice, easy to use, easy to carry, small, compact, and very powerful, especially for its size. So if you want to know more about the product, check out the link in the video description. You can buy it using the link in the video description. And right now I want to test out if the air pressure is correct. Let's see. We should have 2.5 bars. Yeah, as you can see, we have 2.5, exactly 2.5 bars in this wheel. So yeah, everything works very, very nice. And with this LED light, we can use it without any problems, even at night, if we have a deflated tire. So thanks again for watching. Thank you for your time, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more products like this, and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, drive safe. Bye bye.